Dino fact, learning while playing is so much fun. Tiko, Rara, Tito, Terry, and Dinah. Come join us. Dino fact. Roar!
In a bright green valley, long ago,
lived a very special little dinosaur named Tiko. Now, Tiko was a Tyrannosaurus rex, a T-Rex. But he wasn't scary like you might think.
Nope, not at all.
Tiko always had a big, friendly smile on his face, and he absolutely loved helping his friends.
Every single morning, Tiko would wake up bright and early.
He'd stomp his strong little feet thump, and let out a happy shout to the rising sun. New day, new adventure.
Roar cheerfully.
Well, one beautiful morning, Tiko heard a little sound coming from behind the tall, leafy trees. It sounded like someone was crying. Ha-ha! Help!
Tiko's ears perked up. He started running toward the sound, being very careful not to step on any pretty flowers or tiny little bugs crawling on the ground.
And there, by the sparkling river, he found his friend Rara, a small velociraptor, looking very sad. Rara, what's wrong?
Tiko asked, in his kindest voice.
Rara pointed a tiny claw towards the water, her voice trembling.
My dino ball. It fell into the river, and I can't reach it.
Tiko's big smile returned. Don't you worry, Rara. I'll help you.
We can do this together.
He carefully walked to the riverbank, stretched out his big T-Rex feet,
Reached down into the water, and gently nudged the ball back onto the land. Rara was so happy. She hugged her dino ball tight.
Oh, thank you, Tiko. You're the best. You're so kind. Just then, their other friends arrived. Tito, the Triceratops, Terry, the pterodactyl, and Dinah, the baby dino, all came running over. They had seen what Tiko did and started cheering loudly.
Terry flapped his wings and chirped.
Tiko, you're so strong. Tito stomped his feet and added, and you're so brave.
Little Dinah waddled up and squeaked,
You're the kindest friend ever. Tiko grinned so wide his eyes almost disappeared into happy little lines.
He looked at all his friends and said, the greatest strength isn't just in big muscles. It's in having a kind heart. From that day on, every dinosaur in the valley knew a wonderful secret. A T-Rex doesn't have to be scary.
It's kindness that truly makes the world a bright and happy place.
and so they all danced and sang together under a beautiful rainbow.
Big ones, small ones, tall and round, stomping all across the ground. Some had feathers, some had scales, wagging tails and mighty whales. Dinosaurs, animals of the past, walking, running, eating, what a blast. Dinosaurs lived for millions of years. Now they're fossils in the rocks we find right here. Triceratops with 3 big horns, T-Rex stomped from dusk till morn. Brachiosaurus reached up high, nibbling leaves up in the sky. Dinosaurs, animals of the past, walking, running, eating, what a blast. Dinosaurs lived for millions of years. Now they're fossils in the rocks we find right here. Dig it up with brushes clean, see their bones where grass is green. Not alive, but still so grand, dinosaurs ruled all the land. Dinosaurs, animals of the past, walking, running, eating, what a blast. Dinosaurs lived for millions of years. Now they're fossils in the rocks we find right here.
We're friends forever. Dino fact. Roar cheerfully.
Thanks for watching our story today. If you loved Tiko's adventure, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun stories.
See you next time.